Hi guys, I thought I'd start off fall with a fall tier tray. So I thought the best way to do this would be to put it together first and then tell you how I designed it, where I got the stuff, and about how much it cost me to make. So to start off, the tray I got at Walmart, and I got it a couple years back or so, and it was like $14.98 when I got it. It was just a cheap little tin tray, painted white. I imagine it might be a little more now, but I already had the tray. And then the sunflower I got at Dollar Tree, and it has a little clamp on the back of it, and I just clamped it onto the hoop. And being up here at the top, it kind of becomes the focal point of your tier tray. The apple I think I got it at like Hobby Lobby or something a while back too. I already had that along with some other apples. In fact, I think I got them for Halloween. And the owl I got at Dollar Tree. I did the cup too. I had the cup already though, so you could look around your house for a fall mug that you don't feel like using, I guess, or you'd like to add to the tray. And then I filled the mug with some of these glitter vase fillers, what it's called. And I have a little bit left. I also kind of spread them out throughout the tray on the top and the bottom, just in little spots where I felt it was a little empty and I needed to add a little bit more to it. The wood bead chain I got at Dollar Tree, and yeah, I'm going to say Dollar Tree a lot here. They had like something besides mushrooms, but I can't remember what it was, and I liked the mushrooms the best. So, and I just kind of hung it from the top around, and then brought it down here. Oops, I'm going to just knock things over for you. What I was going to say is there's a little tassel. I just kind of brought it through the coffee cup, and what I knocked over was one of the little wood coffee mugs. And then I got a bag of these little pumpkins, these little styrofoam pumpkins. Now, they had the wood skewers, the little skinny ones in them, and I just pulled them out. They pull out really easy, and I put most of them on the bottom of the tray, but I stuck a couple up at the top to fill it in. So at the very back on the bottom, I have a little scarecrow, and it's kind of round on the bottom. It just sits flat out on the tray. I stuck that at the back. I also got a Hello Fall sign, which kind of looks like a rolling pin, and I stuck that at the front. I put some more of the pumpkins, the little glittery balls down, and then I kind of filled it in with some leaves. So at the very back, the large tin pot is from Dollar Tree, and I had that, but they still sell those, I think, along with those mugs that I showed you. And I got 2 of the white flowers, and I cut the flowers up so they weren't in one big wad. I cut them so they were single flowers, and it was just easier to fill it in that way. And I also stuck some fish aquarium rocks at the bottom to fill it in. You could also use some rock salt for like ice cream. And I filled that in and just stuck those in there. And I cut them off fairly short so they would fit in the tray. And again, the tin was already from Dollar Tree, but I painted the tin a green. I painted Anita's all-purpose acrylic paint, and it is dew green. And that was basically it. You just want to get enough stuff to fill it in. Look around your house for things from past falls that would fit on a tier tray. Dollar store is a good place to go to find little items and stuff, and you want to try to balance it out. You know, don't put all big items on one side of the tray because then it looks unbalanced. And the smaller stuff towards the front where you want people to see it, not towards the back where the big things will be hiding it. And that's it for my tier tray. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.